How's it going, eh? Okay. You ready? No, don't bump it, don't bump it. What's a bump?
What's a bump?
What kind of energy is it when it bumps?
Potential?
Nope, nope.
Kinetic?
Kinetic.
Kinetic.
What is it? What kind of energy is it when it's ready to fall? When it's ready to fall, what kind of energy?
Potential.
Good job. Okay, so bump is kinetic, right? Ready? You about ready to do this? Okay. If you blow on the fan, yeah, it's not going to blow it over, right? You have a big box fan. Yeah, you can blow as hard as you want, just don't bump the table. Yep, you can't really blow hard enough to be able to knock it over, right? So, all you need is a tiny bit of energy to knock it over. You just have to set it up right, okay? A little tiny, tiny, tiny piece. If I take this one and I throw it at the fan, it's not gonna knock it over, huh? You need a bigger boom. But if you set it up right, all of this will turn into something that will knock the fan over with just a tiny, tiny bit of energy. And that is potential energy and kinetic energy. And we're talking about collisions. Collisions are a type of exchange, like an energy transfer, okay? So that little tiny blowing the air will hit a little piece and it can knock a little piece over. And that little piece can knock over a piece that's a little bit bigger. And that piece can knock over a piece that's a little bit bigger. And as long as you set it up right, with just a tiny little, you can knock over a really big fan. You want to try it? Yep. Where should you blow? Would you blow here or here?
Would you blow here?
Which one?
Which one?
This one or this one?
This one?
Are you going to knock it over if you blow over here? Try it. You can blow it. Yeah, it's not going to knock over, huh? Try blowing right there. Can you blow that way? On here. No, look, right here. Yep. Can you blow on it? Right there. Go. And blow that way. Look, right here. Get right here. And blow there. It's not going to work that way, huh? Yeah! There it goes, there it goes, there it goes! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, see, you got these to knock over.
Good
Is that
job!
good? Yeah. Was that pretty cool?
Is that pretty cool?
Hey, come here. Come here. How much energy did it take for you to knock the fan over? Not very much, right?
Not very much.
Just a little bit. So, it's all an energy. It bumps, right? What is it when it's ready to fall?
Ready to fall?
What kind of energy?
What kind of energy? Kinetic?
Ready to fall
Are you ready to fall?
is,
Potential?
yes, potential. And when it bumps, it is
It is
kind of energy.
kind of energy.
What kind of energy when it bumps?
Little bumps.
What kind of energy is it? What is it? I know you want to do it again, huh? What kind of energy when it bumps?
Bumps.
What kind is it? What's it called?
What's it called? Kinetic.
Yes, kinetic. So, potential
Potential
and kinetic.
and kinetic.
And this is collisions.
Collisions.
Energy transfer.
Energy transfer.
Awesome.